I was using a grinder in the rear of my vehicle and I accidentally cut into my boot of my rear axle and grease is squirting out of it. So I'm going to try something and see if it works. Stay tuned. So what I did is I used a soldering iron and I melted the boot a little bit to seal the pinholes, little slits that I cut accidentally. Let's see if it holds. If it does, I would just say this is a temporary fix until you get a new boot, a new axle. But for now, hopefully I can drive with it for a while until the part comes in. Hope this helps you guys as well. Thanks for watching. I decided to use this adhesive called Aquaseal, which is made for wetsuits, and I put it on the boot and it seems to be holding really good. And this is just a temporary fix. It's only for like minor cuts and not big tears. It seems to be working for me. It's better than spending $200 for the boot or $600 for the axle. And that's the cost for my particular vehicle, which is a Suzuki SX4. It's very hard to find these parts. So this worked out real well for me. Thanks for watching.